Well, you hold on all it. Speak.
Fix the road, Tom.
When Gail Payne married her high school sweetheart, Roger Hart, she thought she'd live happily ever after. Soon after they bought their first house, she realized her dream was turning into a nightmare. When the emotional abuse turned physical, Gail tried to run. You're not going anywhere. But Roger Hart thought otherwise.
I know what it is.
Maybe you won't be so
It has to be in the middle.
too late for work.
How did he do it?
I don't know how to do it.
He had to have a magic marker.
Okay.
Tess is the one that did it. He did it to this man in the cafeteria today. I think he got it from Mr.
And
Hendricks.
that's where it is with all of them. You've got to keep it quiet because if it slips.